Right, you may or may not know I was given quite a large load of these curtain locks of variants. I don't know anything about them. I've always been into pin tumblers and I'm just sort of getting into this. And apparently I've got a range from sort of basic, I call it, I'll use an analogy, basic Euro through to ASA twin combis. So I wouldn't have known which one to pick first. However, the Pompey picker very kindly said, you want to start with the easi-Ts, mate. So here we are. This is an easi-T, as you can see here. It's locked up. I don't have a key. That's the bigger gauge, which I think is 5, ridiculously enough. Yep. Okay. Oh, had that in the wrong way around, didn't I? Okay. Okay. I'm pretty sure you don't want to see the top of lock. You might want to see what my hands are doing. Not that I'm really sure what my hands are doing. However. Okay. So I don't know what's in here. It doesn't have the little cheaty plate in here so that I can see. So let's have a look. First of all, yep, I can get the whole length or width of the lock. So I'm just going to start at number 1, which is there somewhere. 2, 3, 4. This one because I got to 5. Okay. 1, 2. Nothing there. Little click. Back to the front. That wire's moving in. I'm going to put my thumb on it. Something's wrong there. I'm just drop that down. That 4 felt terrible. Okay. Right. So 4 is okay. Go back to the front. Right, 1 is in a gate. 2 feels like it's in a gate. 3 is in a false gate. 5 is definitely in a false gate. Let's see if we can just get past that. Okay, so we may have just got that out of the false gate. Time will tell. Sorry, I'm concentrating here. I don't find it as easy to talk doing these as I do pin tumblers. Something wrong there. Okay. Start again. Got the whole length of the lock case. Two is a low lever. Five is a false gate. 1, 2, 3 is a false gate. Right, okay. So I'm going to start at the back. I'm going to lift 5 high. Okay, so 5's high. I'm not going to touch 4. I'm going to lift 3 high. Okay. So now let's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I haven't dropped into the false gate, so drop something or other. Three's in the false gate. Bugger. Out at the false gate. No. Yep, got it stuck again. Woo. Okay. Right, so where's 1? Where's number 5, which I'm going to lift high, if I can. So I'm not sure this wire is actually getting all the way up there, you know. Three's in a false gate too. Have I still got 5? Yeah. So which one am I missing? I just wonder if that just isn't lifting it high enough. Dropped it, whatever it was, and there's no reason why it shouldn't be lifting it high enough. That's high. That's low. That should be high. Just putting a little more tension on them. Maybe I'm just dropping them as I'm going through. Back to the front, if I can get here. Come on. There we go. Alright, so definitely got a bit of movement there. Question is did it go into a false gate? think 3 and 5 went to a false gate there. Back. See, that one's in. Okay. Swink. Definitely not right. It literally feels like I'm just not lifting them high enough. But I know that's bollocks. Not true. Right. 1. He feels good. 2, not so much. 3. 4. No, something's wrong there. Wow, 12 minutes. I've got to say, this is easier on the hands than pin tumblers, though. It's got to be high. I know that. Gotcha. Bloody hell. That was sodding hard work. Okay, definitely got it. Gonna reset. Let's try that again. Right, so go right to the back. 5 was a high lift. 4 wasn't. 3 was a high lift. I think I've overlifted 2 by mistake there. Well, not so easy as I thought. Gonna have one more go. So I know 5 is high. 4 is not high. 3 is high. 2 isn't high. 1 isn't high. So if I haven't got them somewhere near right. Okay. So that one should be high. So that feels like it's in a gate. That one doesn't. Four, three. There we go. 2 opens for the price of 1. Got it in the end, sort of. I'll keep practicing. Thanks for watching, guys.